Breaking tonight, Stacey Wondra, one of the named suspects in the Michael Monkey Vaughn case, has just appeared in an Arizona courtroom for an extradition hearing. According to newly released video from the East Idaho News, Wondra waived his right to fight extradition, meaning he has agreed to return to Idaho to face charges connected to Michael's disappearance and death.
What is your date of birth?
9/12/92.
Thank you. All right, so you are here this evening because the Idaho issued a warrant for your arrest.
Correct.
All right.
Your Honor, so I have a question relating. So I have had no way to contact any relatives or anybody or any legal counsel to ask a recommendation of what I should do on this
Okay, so we have information, and then you can make a choice, or you can choose not to make a choice.
Okay.
So we'll get there. All right. And you said your date of birth was September 12th, 1992. Is that correct? All right. All right. As I mentioned, a warrant for your arrest has been issued by the state of Idaho. That state wants you back on its warrant. Before court, you were given some paperwork on a big white laminated card, which you had. Did you read that paperwork?
Yes.
Okay. As I stated, you have a warrant from the state of Idaho. You have a choice to make at this time. You can choose to waive your right to an extradition hearing and be sent back to Idaho within 30 days. Or you can demand an extradition hearing and that a governor's warrant be signed by the governors of both states, that's Arizona and Idaho, before you are sent back to the state of Idaho. If you choose to waive your right to an extradition hearing, you would be held non-bondable in Maricopa County Jail for a period of up to 30 days to allow time for the requesting state to come for you. That 30 days would start tomorrow as long as you do not have any criminal charges pending against you anywhere in Arizona. If you do have criminal charges pending against you in Arizona, the 30-day period would not start until those charges are resolved. If you choose to have an extradition hearing, I will set your hearing for November 17th at 1:30 p.m. in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I cannot appoint an attorney to represent you because extradition matters are civil in nature, but you would have the right to hire a lawyer at your expense if you choose. You are entitled to bail, which in this case would be a cash-only appearance bond in the amount of $1 million. If you are unable to post your bail, you would be held in custody during that time or until another judge modifies your bail. A governor's warrant signed by the governors of both states is required to extradite you to Idaho. That process could take up to 90 days. So you have a choice to make at this point. You can choose to waive your right to an extradition hearing and be held non-bondable here in Arizona for a period of 30 days, or you can you can go ahead with your extradition hearing on November 17th at 1:30.
I'll wait it. I'll wait the 30 days for them to come get me.
Okay. All right. I understand at this time you do want to sign the waiver of extradition. I need to ask you some questions as I am making a record of this proceeding. Did you read the waiver of extradition paperwork?
Yes.
Okay. Do you understand that you do not have to sign the paperwork?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have the right to an extradition hearing?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have the right to hire a lawyer at your own expense?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have the right to demand that a governor's warrant be signed by the governors of both states before you are returned?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have the right to bail?
Yes.
Do you want to give up those rights and sign the paperwork?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you or promised you anything to get you to sign the paperwork?
No.
Have you had any drugs, alcohol, or medication within the last 24 hours?
No.
You got to say it out loud.
No, I have not.
Okay. I am finding that you are knowingly, intelligently, and voluntarily are signing the waiver, and I am also signing it. I am directing the sheriff's office to notify the requesting state that you are ready to return. The requesting state will have 30 days from tomorrow to pick you up unless there are local charges pending. If there are local charges pending, the 30 days will not start until the conclusion of that case. Do you have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
So, what does this mean in plain English? Well, when someone is arrested in a different state from where the charges were filed, they have the right to contest being sent back. It's called extradition. By waiving extradition, Wondra basically told the judge, I'm not going to fight it, I'll go back to Idaho. That decision speeds up the process. No extra hearings, no appeals, no waiting weeks for paperwork battles. And then once Idaho authorities arrive, they have 30 days from today, he'll be transported to Payette County in Idaho to formally face his charges in the Michael Vaughn case. Once he's back in Idaho, we can expect an initial court appearance where prosecutors will read the charges, the judge will set bond or deny it, and the court will schedule further proceedings. That's when we may finally see the probable cause affidavit that has been sealed since 2023, revealing what investigators have built their case on for the last 2 years. For Brandy Neal and Tyler Vaughn, Michael's parents, this is the most concrete movement they've seen since 2022 when police searched the Wondra property. It's been 4 long years of waiting, wondering, and hoping that someone would finally be held accountable. This hearing does not close the case. There's still these other 3 named suspects, but it's a crucial next step towards justice for Michael Monkey Vaughn. We'll continue following this case closely as extradition moves forward and Stacey Wondra arrives back in Idaho. Please take a moment to like and share Michael's story. Let's help keep awareness alive.